Hi, thanks for watching another one of my videos on how to do the coin laundry business right and occasionally do the coin laundry business wrong. This is week 2 of Easy Wash and Dry on South Cooper at Arlington. Today is April 23rd, and here's a quick update on the construction from 1 week ago. I'm going to try and get out here every Monday for the next 10 Mondays. They pulled down the sign, the old box sign. They pulled down the awning, everything, all the garbage that was over here, and the old sign over there. And let's walk in real quick. And it's pretty much a shell. As you can see, they've cleaned it all out. There's the plans and everything. And all that garbage that was in here after the asbestos abatement and all the tear down of the stuff inside is all gone. And they were able to salvage a water closet. There is running water in here, so they built a makeshift bathroom. But there you have it, a quick video of Easy Wash in Arlington, Texas. And as we go, I'll be out here every Monday so you can see an update of this space. If you have any questions or comments, please give me a call, text, email. All my information will be on the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be out here next Monday.